I'm Malia, and welcome to my first Spotlight sale. I've decided to take a group of products every week or so and put them on sale for 48 hours. Everything is going to be 15% off. So we're going to start, the first group is going to be all the products that were used in my YouTube video on doing your at-home facial. I know a lot of you watched it, and if you have the right supplies, you can really have a great facial. It's very important to keep your skin nice and glowy, especially now. So, let me go over what we have. We're going to start with a scrub. This is the Microderm Scrub. This is the one I demoed in the video. This is my personal favorite. It's good for all skin types, normal, oily, dry. It does not damage your skin. It does not scratch it. It uses corundum crystals. Also, there's a good moisture in there and a barrier that keeps your skin from losing too much moisture. So when you finish scrubbing, you feel silky and wonderful. So this is a 2-minute deal. You rub it on and keep massaging it in for about 2 minutes, and then you rinse it off, all right? And then you follow that with a mask. And the mask I was using is the Enzyme Fruit and Flower Mask. This one uses hibiscus flower and fruit acids, citrus acids to naturally exfoliate. So this continues the process. Once you rinse and pat dry your scrub, this continues the exfoliation and also gives you really brightening, smooth texture, smoother color of skin. So this will stay on about 10 minutes or so. If you have more oily, acne-prone skin, then I'm going to recommend the Glow Mask. This one is black because there's charcoal in it. And the charcoal draws out the impurities. So if you break out frequently or you have a lot of redness in your skin, a lot of irritation, maybe a little bacteria, this will pull, you know how clay or charcoal really pulls things out. So this has got that black charcoal and it purifies your skin. So that's a great alternative. Then we have an Enzyme Exfoliating Scrub. This one is based on papaya. Now papaya is a natural exfoliant. If you rub papaya all over your face, I prefer to eat it, but papaya and pineapple do the same thing. In fact, a long time ago, people used to wash their face with pineapple. So it's very natural. Papaya is great. You'll find it in digestive enzymes for your stomach as well. So it's good to eat. It's good to put on your skin. So this is a 2-in-1. You apply this paste all over your face. You scrub for 2 minutes. Then you re-moisten it a little bit with water and leave it for another 8 minutes. So this does a scrub and a mask all together, and then you rinse that off. And then lastly, this is super cool. It is a gel exfoliant, also based on papaya. It's a clear, gooey kind of gel. So what happens with this is you do a little squirt in your hand and then you spread it all over your face and start rubbing. And the best way to describe it is your skin molts off. It's very odd, but it comes off in little balls and little pieces of skin just start falling off. It doesn't hurt, it's just odd. And it's great on the back of your hands, which get rough and those age spots. If you rub it and exfoliate the back of your hands, all that dead skin will come up to the surface and get rolled right off, and that whole color of your hand a lot of times will change. It'll be a lot lighter when you finish with your scrub. So there we have it, all kinds of goodies for you to try. Everything is 15% off for the next 48 hours, so grab some. If you have questions, you can always email me or direct message me or send me a message on Facebook. It'll be all 2 or 3 places. And hope you enjoy, and happy scrubbing!